Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm super excited. We're going to be unboxing and playing around with the Eyescream beauty box. Now this is for the month of February. Eyescream was kind enough to send this box out to me, so thank you so much for that. The star of the show, the Wicked Widow eyeshadow palette. This is the Lovesick palette. We already got one of their eyeshadows back in October, the Graveyard Smash palette. The quality on this is amazing. Really good brand right here. This little palette's going to retail for $36 and it's absolutely worth it. It is stunning. We also got two blushes. Now this one was not in my box. I had actually opened it, took it out of the package, and then when I seen the color, I was like, I think I already have that blush, which I do. So I'm just going to put this one in a giveaway. So that shade is this really pretty pink color. I love this blush. It's so pretty on the skin. And then we got this more coral color. Now this smaller travel size one is a matte, and this one looks more like a shimmer. Super pigmented, really pretty on the skin. Absolutely love getting blush in the boxes, so I'm super happy for those two. Next up, we got this beautiful little highlighter from Estate. This is in the shade Sonic. It's just a really pretty pink highlighter. Then we also got this duochrome eyeliner from Charmacy. Oh my goodness, like so pretty. Super creamy. I can't wait to try this out. And then over here on the other side is just a purple liquid liner. Last but not least, we got a lip gloss from Floss. I've never tried anything from this brand before. It smells so good, like vanilla, but I just wanted to apply this to my lips really quick just to see. It does have a little pigment to it. It does feel really nice and smooth on the lips. I just went ahead and took that off really quick. I'm gonna line the lips. Then I'm going to go in with this Appeal lipstick. Now I'm just going to top it with this lip gloss. And that's like the perfect match. So now I'm just going to go in with this blush. I'm just going to pick up a little and tap it on as I put a lot on. So beautiful on the skin though. Really does blend in so nicely. Very pigmented. A little goes a long way with these. That shade goes really good with that lip gloss as well. Okay, so I'm super excited to try out this highlighter. I love a good pink highlighter. Just gonna build it up. I almost feel like this is a cream and it's going to probably apply better with the finger. Ooh, yes. Okay, that's the way to apply this, is with the finger. That's beautiful, and it goes with that blush so good. I love that on the skin. So pretty. So now for my favorite part, I can't wait to try out this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go into this shade right here with a fluffy brush. That shade's called Worlds Apart, and I'm just going to put that in the crease. Super pigmented, so buttery on the lid. And I'm just going to work that up to the brow. Absolutely love that color. Same thing for this side, just starting in the crease and just gonna start building it up to the brow, blending and buffing it out. I mean, that color on its own is beautiful. Okay, so now switching brushes, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This is a beautiful duochrome shade. This is Love Like Winter. And I'm gonna start building that up on the outer corner. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. It's purple with pink glitter. I love that shade, so pretty. It's probably my favorite shade in this palette. I love how you can build these shades up. Oh my goodness. They're so sparkly, so good. And Wicked Widow just relocated to Virginia, which is exciting. I'm in Virginia, so super cool. Okay, so now switching brushes, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is another duochrome shade, and the shade's called Fall For You. I'm just gonna start putting that on the front part of the lid. Oh my goodness, again, stunning. I absolutely love these two shades. And they are meshing together so nicely. I'm just gonna take the edge of this brush and kind of fan it out. Going back with that purple brush and just gonna blend out a little. I love that, so cute. Okay, so switching brushes, going into this shade here. This one's called Goodnight Moon, and I'm just gonna use that for the brow bone highlight. I'm also gonna use it for the inner corner. So now I'm just going to go in the waterline with this Charmacy eyeliner. Now I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I'm going to use that to buff out the lower lash line. I love it. Now with duochromes, you do have to build them up on the lower lash line. But so beautiful. It goes with that eyeliner so well. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes. Now I'm just going to coat my lashes with a little bit of e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. Okay girls, so this is the completed look using the February Ice Cream Beauty Box. I love it. The eyeshadow palette is absolutely my favorite product out of this box. But really quick, I do want to change the lip. I actually got this lip gloss from Sephora and this is in the shade Wild. And I just think it's going to match perfectly. I actually really like that lip gloss with this eye. It matches like perfectly. Again, this is my favorite product out of this month's box. Super happy that we got this. This box was so nice this month. 10 out of 10 for me. Of course, I'm going to have Ice Cream Beauty's information listed below for you in case you're interested in checking it out. But as always, girl, let me know what was your favorite product out of this month's box. I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!